So this is the thing we are missing. Can you understand what I'm saying? I hope that you can relate with my words. Alright, so hello everybody, this is Dayal here today. Hope that all of you are well and having a really very good time. This video is gonna be based on American English, and whenever I just try to speak in American English. I try to learn. Just a minute. এখানে বিষয় হচ্ছে আপনি যখন try to বলবেন উচ্চারণ হবে হচ্ছে try to. I try to learn it. Listen. Learn it, and after that I just try to share.
Normally when I try to share them with people, try to share
my experiences, try to share
whatever that I've learned in this throughout my journey. This is it. So today in this video, I want to motivate you a little bit because আরেকটু ব্রেক সেটা হচ্ছে যে মোটিভেট বলা যাবে না, বলতে হবে মোটিভেট, ডি সাউন্ড আসবে এখানে, মোটিভেট। কিছু एग्जांपल তাহলে দেখে নেন, তাহলে আরেকটু সহজ হবে।
That will motivate you to work a lot harder. I will motivate you to work a lot. I will motivate you to.
That will help motivate you on what you want to work on. Help motivate you on what motivate you.
Like, we gotta motivate you. We gotta.
So today in this video, I want to motivate you a little bit because this video is not for them who just came here just to actually be some kind of, just learn some kind of things. Yeah, that is okay. You have came here. Sorry, you came here. You have come here. You have come bolte pari, or you came here bolte pari. All right? Konta hobe? I don't know. But you should never stop in speaking. There might be some kind of grammatical mistakes. আমাদের কথা বলার সময় হয়তোবা কিছু কি গ্রামাটিক্যাল ভুল হতে পারে, there might be, but you should never ever stop speaking. আপনার কখনোই কথা বলা বন্ধ করা উচিত নয়. So today my point is, I have been learning for long days. I have been learning for so many days. You all know about this, and it's been more than 3.5 years right now. তো এখানে যে বিষয়টা আরেকটু জানার দরকার সেটা হচ্ছে যে 3.5 years, and কে সংক্ষেপে n বলা যায়, 3.5 years. তো তাহলে কয়েকটা ছোট্ট एग्जांपल দেখে নেই, তাহলে আরেকটু সহজ হবে।
4 years, 3.5, 4. 3.5, 4.
And got into for 3.5 years work at Facebook. 3.5 years for 3.5 years.
And I have tried my best to make videos every single day. This is my determination. Sometimes I failed, but I never stopped making videos. In the first time, I tried to make videos only for myself. In the first time, in the very beginning of my journey, I tried to make the videos for me, and I tried to see the differences, that how my pronunciations are going on and how am I doing with my pronunciation, and what is the difference between my pronunciation and the other videos, or all the other videos. So I try to actually listen all the time, most of the time, and when I listened in that time, those things really helped me a lot because I was listening, and by listening, এখানে একটা জিনিস লক্ষ্য করতে পারেন, সেটা হচ্ছে যে and by listening বলছি, and by listening কিন্তু বলি নাই, কারণ এখানে n এর পর d সাউন্ড যেটা, এটা অফ রাখলেও হবে, সমস্যা নেই। and by listening I was feeding my brain. This is the suggestion that I give all the time to every one of you, that when you will listen, you will feed your brain. This is very, very important, highly recommended for everybody. Listen as much as possible, and most of the time try to listen the positive lectures. Those things will give you, or those things will help you to have a very strong mindset about learning. And I know that in our today's world, our generation is completely busy, but they are not productive. Try to understand this. They are very busy with so many things. They're very busy with different kind of stuffs, but they miss one thing. That is, they are busy, but they are not productive. Actually, can you relate with the thing that I'm saying? Like, you are busy, you may be busy with all the works that you're doing. You may be busy with maybe your girlfriend, maybe your mobile phone, maybe your video games or whatever. There's lots of things. Maybe you are busy with all these things, but have you noticed this thing? Are you productive? How much productive you are? How much of your time you're using for yourself, for genuinely yourself, which will give you some benefits in the future. I can see, or I can realize that there's not any, maybe only a few, actually there's a very little time we spent on ourselves. So this is the thing we are missing. Can you understand what I'm saying? I hope that you can relate with my words. This is the thing we're missing. We are very busy, but we are not productive. This is the thing. I tried to understand this concept in maybe 3 years ago when I was listening a lecture from Dr. Bishop T.D. Jakes. He said that we are busy, but we are not productive. This is so true. You have to. I hope that you get the point. I don't want to explain it anymore. So this is the thing. And the next thing, and that is the reason you have to listen, because whenever actually the thing that I'm telling you right now, it is not actually the thing that I have discovered. I have learned from somewhere. I try to feed my brain like this. I try to collect this information, this piece of information, and this little piece of information helped me. This little bolte bari this little piece of information helped me to think in a different way, because I was just thinking that I'm very busy with all these things, but where am I productive? Am I productive? This is the question. Be productive, spend your time with the right things, invest your time with the right things, and don't spend your time with the wrong things. So this is it. I hope you get the points, and I hope that you will learn something from this video about the pronunciation. I'll try to edit this video in a little bit different way so that you can understand the pronunciation also. And if you have any questions, you can let me know on the comment box. And if you like my videos, consider subscribing to my channel, because from my heart, I want to reach the students of our country. And even though I'm very busy, actually it is now 12:46 a.m. right now. I'm making this video because I'm not getting any time in the day. So this is it, and have a good day. See you soon in the next time. Ta-da. All the very best. Never stop learning. Have a good day.